So nobody loves a full detailed blowout more than I do. But I know sometimes you just don't have time to do the section by section blow dry. So today I'm going to show you how to do like a quick, flip your head upside down blow dry and polish it at the end. What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. So today I'm going to show you how to do a super fast blow dry and then polish it at the end. Just because you're doing a quick blow dry doesn't mean you get to skip the products. So make sure you're still using your normal product routine like you would if you're doing a step-by-step detailed blow dry. If anything, you almost need it more to get your hair to do what it wants to do, since you're not taking the time to really get in there and get it smooth or whatever the finished look is. So I'm going to apply my products, do my quick blow dry, and then we will talk in just a minute. So you've done your pre-dry and your hair is kind of like a hot mess like mine. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and brush out all the tangles that happen from your messy blow dry. Once you've got it nice and tangle-free and fluffy, go ahead and get, if you've got some oil or serum that you like to use, I'm going to use the Lemon Nourishing Oil because y'all know I love it. Go ahead and get a little bit of that and rub it in your ends. So remember, anytime you're using an oil or a serum, rub it in your hands first before you start applying. And just really work it into the hair. So now that I've got a little bit more product in it, I'm going to grab my round brush, or if you prefer a flat brush, you can use it. But I like the ceramic round brush, especially for a quick finish, because the ceramic heats up and kind of works like an iron to finish smoothing out some of this craziness, right? And if you took the concentrator off of your blow dryer to do your quick blow dry like I did, go ahead and put that back on before you start, maybe. I'm going to just show you how I smooth it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, just in case y'all are going to dip out early, make sure if you enjoyed this video that you hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that and help me to grow my channel. All right, let's get to the smoothing, finishing touches. That is how I use my round brush. And then for those of you who have watched a few of my videos, you know I'm going to put a little bit more Loma oil in my hair. But it really just does make a huge difference to just take those few extra minutes and grab that round brush to get a nice smooth finish. You know, you get an even better blow dry when you do like a detailed step-by-step, but this is totally still very acceptable and very quick and easy. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you liked it, hit the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, help me to grow my channel by doing that. All right, it's The Real Rae. Bye.